Bouts of severe weather, coupled with unrelenting heat, threatened to provide Americans with a tumultuous and possibly deadly weather week. Multiple rounds of thunderstorms will bring risks of flash flooding through the Midwest and East, on the periphery of a heat dome that could bring triple-digit temperatures to parts of multiple states. Thunderstorms at night could bring hail downpours from southern Nebraska to Canada, in the zone from southern Illinois and Indiana to central and eastern Kentucky, central and southern West Virginia and southwestern Virginia, Sosnowski said. Over the 4th of July holiday weekend has been revised down from 97 to 3. Greg Abbott said 97 people were still listed as missing in the greater Kerrville area, down from 160 plus about a week ago. This remarkable progress reflects countless hours of coordinated search and rescue operations, careful investigative work. As of July 17th, Abbott said, the death toll stood at 135 statewide, with 116 from Kerr County perishing in the floods, and an unwavering commitment to bringing clarity and hope to families during an unimaginably difficult time, Rice said. Officials announced July 19th. The city of Kerrville, Texas, said your dedication, professionalism, and compassion have brought comfort and answers to so many. Kelly had said earlier that a large percentage of those unaccounted for were probably visiting the area. He said many tourists had come for the Independence Day weekend fireworks and concert. Historic flooding overwhelmed the banks of the Guadalupe River in the pre-dawn hours of July 4th. The Kerr County Flood Disaster Joint Information Center confirmed that through extensive follow-up work among state and local agencies, many individuals who were initially reported as missing have been verified as safe and removed from the list. We are profoundly grateful to the more than 1,000 local, state, and federal authorities who have worked tirelessly in the wake of the devastating flood that struck our community. Heat dome could last for weeks, with wind gusts possibly reaching 85 miles per hour. Kentucky and West Virginia all facing the possibility of flash flooding and gusty winds. AccuWeather senior meteorologist Alex Sosnowski said that much of the region was hammered by heavy thunderstorms recently and could absorb another round. More than 50 million Americans from Texas to Missouri were already under National Weather Service extreme heat warnings or advisories on July 20th. The severe weather threat sweeps across the Midwest and East. On July 21st, AccuWeather senior meteorologist Chad Merrill said, the Kansas City, Missouri area, which hasn't hit 100 degrees in 2 years, could reach the figure multiple times this week. He said, Dallas could see 100 degrees for the first time in 2025. This has the look of a long-lasting heat wave with limited rainfall. Drought will expand through the Central Plains by mid-August and worsen in Kansas and Nebraska, where there are already pockets of moderate to extreme drought. Number of people missing in deadly Texas. Flooding drops to 3. We are highly concerned about the risk of dangerous to life-threatening flash flooding. A bulge in the jet stream developing as high pressure builds could create a persistent heat dome lingering well into August. The number of people thought to be missing in the devastating floods in Kerr County, Texas. Kerr County Judge Rob Kelly thanked law enforcement and others who helped verify the number missing. Recovery operations are continuing to search for those still missing.